Hello YouTubers, it's time for another unboxing with Anil, and here's what I'm doing today. Villainous, um, Evil Comes Prepared, and Villainous, Wicked to the Core. I've already done an unboxing for the base game, but these are actually base games as well as the other, you can mix it with the other Villainous games, so let's take a look at what's inside. And so let's take a look at inside the box. Villainous Wicked to the Core. Instructions. The rules are similar to the other one. The play mats for each villain. So there should be 3 here, like the queen, the evil queen, and the evil queen. There's after evil queen, Doctor Lassiter. That one is from the Frog Princess and Hades. So yeah, and then the booklets with all the plays for the characters. Evil Queen. Oh, and they also have their little guide, so that's good. They came with more. So Dr. Flassiter and Hades. Wonder if they. Oh, there. Usually don't like it when they put these things on because they usually don't work for me, but this one seems to. This one's Hades deck. Zeus. The little tokens, point tokens. So in this game, you are one of those villains, and your job is to complete your missions. Like, I wonder if they're gonna actually have Disney heroes or heroists. I wonder if that's a word, but we can see. This is the Evil Queen. I don't think the Evil Queen ever had a name, so I guess once upon a time when they did their stories, they were able to give the Queen any name they wanted, so. I am still, I know that they've decided to do a couple more in 2020, so there's a couple more cards, character cards coming out, so this is Dr. Flassiter. So all of these are actually from the movie, so, but I like it. was originally attracted to these. I originally thought, oh, okay, it'd be cool if we painted it, but these I do not want to paint just because it'd lose the value. That was Hades. This is the Evil Queen. And Dr. Flosser with the cool hat. Let's put that away and see the next ones. So this is going to be one of the games that we play. It doesn't take too long to play. I played the other one and it was lots of fun. I do think I'm going to have to buy sleeves for them because you're always handling the cards. And that was when we get to the core. Let's take a look at the Evil Comes Prepared. I already did the little stickers on the side so that they're easier to open. Take on the same kind of way. They put the instructions on top. The cards. I was actually thinking I would get a I usually for games like this I'll put them all into the main box, but these inserts are really nice. This is Scar. Rathian. And he cannot remember which one that one's from. That's from the Emperor. His New Groove. Yes, that's it. There's this different thing here with the new one. Oh, Radigan actually has a special. Oh, when he gets turned into the monster, he gets more. He has a different goal. The villain guide. Radigan. Into see this one. Okay. And then there's these. Just in case you don't have the original game, they're adding these into every one. So that. But now you can actually watch all these movies on Disney Plus, which is kind of cool. That and Star Wars games, Star Wars movies. So Where's wow, I got that to work nicely. So this is for the Emperor's New Groove. This is from Lion King, so you have Scar. Artwork's straight from the movie, so that's great. This is, I think, the Ratigan. The Queen from Alice in Wonderland. Haven't seen that in a while. And here are the figures. This is Scar. And the Queen of Hearts. You'd think the Queen of Hearts would have been red, but oh well. Okay. So that's it for this double unboxing, and I'll see you next time.